Hey guys, Steve Ferguson here, your modern mortgage loan advisor. Thanks for tuning in. Today is my birthday, but instead of you guys giving me gifts, I'm going to give you a gift and teach you how to multiply your money and turn one house into four. But before we get started, make sure to like or subscribe. There's a ton of videos on my channel. I always love to see what you guys want to talk about. Drop some suggestions, drop some comments, and let's get this party started. All right, so let's get started. So this video assumes that you own a home. Okay, so let's just assume you own the home and the value of that home is $500,000. All right, you've owned it for a few years and you owe about $300,000 on it now. That gives you about a $200,000 equity position in your property. Here's what that means. That means you've got 200 grand to do what you want with it. It's free money. You got it because you live there. You woke up in the morning in bed and you got that appreciation from owning your home over the last several years. Congratulations, right? It's like having an entirely new form of income for you and your family to be set up for life. So let's talk about how we can use that money to expand our real estate portfolio. So a couple different things that you can do. Number one, you can do a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, which means I can get a second lien on my mortgage and I can pull that equity position out. Now I get to use it. So it's a tool that draws it off of your equity position on your home and gives it to you in the form of essentially a checking account you can write checks against. Second option is you can do a cash out, which means you refinance all of your loan as one and you pull the equity out and you get money at closing that you can do anything that you want with. Every state has different laws on this. Many states will allow you to pull up to 100% of the equity position. Texas is the most conservative. They're going to allow you to pull up to 80% of the value of your home in an equity position. So if you owe 300 grand on a $500,000 house in Texas, you can pull 100 grand. Everywhere else, you can pull 200 grand. We're going to now leverage that money to get you your next pieces of property. So let's say we want to buy 4 rental properties, and each rental property is about $250,000 for the purchase price. It's very standard to put 20% down on an investment property, which is 50 grand on a $250,000 property. So now I'm taking money from a home I already own that I've already got. It's free money. I'm going to take that money out. That's tax-free, by the way. And I'm going to start buying properties. I'm going to buy 4 properties and put 50 grand down on each property. That's $200,000. And now I turn my one house into 4 properties. Now there's more. Let's talk about this. When I own investment property, guess who's paying my mortgage for me? That's right, the renter. So that renter is paying me back for the mortgage that I took out and the equity loan that I took out. Plus I'm getting the appreciation from that renter because they're paying my mortgage every month that they're there. And my principal balance on my mortgage keeps getting reduced. Plus I get the tax benefits of owning rental property. That's a tremendous thing. Definitely visit with your CPA about that. It's a big deal. And then I get to leverage this money as time goes on. So there's a way to turn that 4 pieces of property or those 4 pieces of property into an apartment complex or into more property or into some kind of future development. It's a great way to create generational wealth. And the beautiful thing is you probably already have the tool to get it done. If you've owned a home for 3 to 5 years, somewhere in that range based on the current market, chances are you've got that equity built into your property and you can pull the trigger on this now. Doesn't mean to be that you spend it all right now. You can spend it however you'd like. But even starting with 1 investment property, maybe 2, maybe a duplex or 2 duplexes, that creates generational wealth and somebody else is paying on it for you. That is a beautiful thing to have, guys. So it doesn't have to be complicated. I've been an investor for 18 years, been in the business for 24 years, I guess now. I teach people how to do this all the time. So it's important to understand that you have the tool as a homeowner now to create great amount of wealth over a period of time using residential real estate to get it for you. So I hope that was clear. I hope that all made sense. I want to see you guys make those decisions to do better for your family and to get more income for your family and residual income for your family where somebody else is paying you that money month over month. This is a great strategy to get it done. All right. Well, don't be a stranger. Reach out anytime. I hope that was an easy explanation. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.